guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. I do want to apologise for the lighting, but there's nothing I can actually do about that at this present moment, but hopefully the lighting is good enough for you. Today I'm going to be doing a fantastic tutorial on Lush Cosmetic products, and we all know their products are homemade and natural. I'm going to be using just a couple of simple products just to help me get this facial routine kick-started. I'm going to start off with my pure cotton wool and my Nivea makeup remover mineral water. Now, the reason why I'm going to start off by doing this, the whole point of this video is to extract whiteheads and blackheads. You know that whiteheads and blackheads are extremely hard to get rid of, and you can't just get the tool and start extracting. I'm going to be using the extracting tool, and this is brand new. This hasn't been used before. So for those of you who are joining, yeah, I have never used this before. If you're a bit curious as to where I've got this from the Body Shop for around £7. And oh, the paper's come off. And this is how it looks. Most of you will already have this product already. So if you want to let me know any negatives or, positives, just leave a comment down below. Now, and this is actually steel, so it's pretty, hard to break. Therefore, meaning it can also cause damage to the skin. So you're going to have to be very careful with this. Now, when I went into Lush, I just couldn't figure out what face mask to buy, so they decided just to give me a little tester. But what I did buy yesterday in Lush was loads of bath bombs, because the skin on your face is much more different to the skin on your body. It's much more sensitive. Sorry about that, guys. I had a bit of problems getting them opened. So this one is yes guys, the name has finally come to me. This is the garlic paste face mask, and as you can see, it's quite thick. And then I believe this one is mixed with coffee, and I can't remember what the other ingredient is because it hasn't been labelled properly. But this definitely contains coffee. Is it coffee and blueberries? I believe it's coffee and blueberries. And then this is the garlic paste. And I'm going to be applying the garlic paste today, because the garlic paste helps to brighten up skin, gets rid of blemishes, and helps with the extraction of whiteheads and also blackheads. Now, what I am going to start off by doing is I'm going to be wetting this cloth, and I'm going to let some really hot water run on it as I apply the mineral water to my face. And the reason why I'm going to be adding extremely hot water to my face, when I say extremely, I don't mean like scorching hot. I literally just mean hot water, or preferably warm water, to just open up my pores. And remember, when you're extracting whiteheads and blackheads, it's not just going to be easy to extract. The skin needs to be prepared. Your pores need to be open so it can release all the blackheads and whiteheads that should not be there. Now on this cotton wool, you can see the removal of some makeup that has been left over and just simply face there. Now, oh, this cloth is extremely hot. You can see the heat coming off of the cloth. And I'm just gonna dab it on my T-zones and really get that warmth into my skin. You don't want it too hot to the point that it burns your face, but you just want to get your skin prepared. I'm going to go over and get some more hot water one more time, because I want my skin to be ready to just let go. Just like when we let go of negative energy and negative people, we want our skin to be ready to let go of all the impurities. Sorry guys, I was daydreaming there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and apply the face mask. What the face mask is going to do is going to start getting the blackheads and the whiteheads to start colouring to the surface. So guys, I'm tapping my lip. And this will also prepare my skin. If you want a closer look at it, it's quite thick. It has there are some bits in there, but I do love a face mask that is quite gritty, because I want to be able to apply it to my face, and that is what we call a good scrub. Now, what I will be applying my scrub with is my special tool here. And what I love about this tool, which allows me to apply my facial, it has a silicone brush, and this helps you to lather on the face mask really easy. And it applies it better than the hands, or basically anything else that we would typically use. I'm going to leave the water running just in case I need to apply some more water. Some people may prefer their hands, but you know, it's each to their own. And one thing I can say about Lush is that their products are like so natural. I think it's more suited for people with, you know, not simple skin. Oh gosh, what am I talking about? It's more suited for people with sensitive skin. And guys, this feels so nice. If you know, I just feel so peaceful as I lather this face mask on. I'm going to use pretty much all of it on my face, and I'm going to see how my skin reacts to this. And if it reacts perfectly, then I will go and buy the garlic face mask and just carry on using it for my routine. And I'm going to take some pictures up close for you, because some people love close-ups. And then I'm going to let this sit on my face for around 20 minutes as I actually want it to get underneath the layers of the skin and really do its job. So guys, I'm going to let it do its work and I'll be back with you in about 20 minutes time. Guys, it's been around 20 minutes. The mask is burning. But let me tell you something, I love when a face mask burns. It's not burning to the point that I'm saying that my skin is irritated, because it's not. But I can really feel it penetrating through the layers of my skin. So thumbs up to that. As I said again, really, really gritty. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this face scrubber. I'm going to go ahead and use this face scrubber and remove the mask. It's coming off extremely easy. And whilst I am removing it, I'm also lathering it onto my skin. Just remember, this cloth is a special example, a special material that's already doing the lathering for me. I can feel a spot coming up at the top there, it's really annoying. And what I love about Lush is you can't walk into Lush and not buy something. You're either going to pick up a body mist, a hand cream, a bath bomb, which they're, you know, renowned for. I'm obsessed with their bath bombs. Absolutely obsessed with their bath bombs. The bath bomb I got yesterday was a snowball one, a Christmas one. Yes. And they also have a... They have loads, to be honest. They have loads. And what I know about their bath bombs last for literally the duration of my bath. So it lasts for around, I would say 30 to 40 minutes. Their bath bombs can last to, because I always make sure I ask for a bath bomb that, you know, that is quite long lasting, because I have very long baths. I'm just so sad that I didn't buy 4. starter. So I'm gonna do 3. And I'm literally down to my last one. So guys, as you can see, I have removed the face mask. Now I'm going to go ahead with this tool. I'm going to wash it first of all, because anything we put on our face has to be clean. And I'm going to go ahead and try to extract and as you can see, the extraction is starting to work. Is it painful? Yes. Do I feel like I'm gonna die? Yes. Is it worthwhile? Yes. So guys, if you want to see the extraction, so I can't really get to zoom right. If I put it next to my nose, you get to see all that build up of whitehead. Going to see the extraction of the whitehead. I'm not going to go in too much. I'm not going to go in too much. But the places that I seem to struggle with, that is what those are the areas I have targeted. Now guys, if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And you'll be seeing much more extraction videos. Don't forget to subscribe guys.